Good morning, good morning. Okay, so I've got underlined here Proverbs 1, verse 27. The KJV says, "When your fear cometh as a desolation, and your destruction cometh as a whirlwind, when distress and anguish cometh upon you." Then underneath it, I have underlined Proverbs 1:27 in the LSB, which is the Legacy Standard Bible. "When your dread comes like a storm, and your disaster comes like a whirlwind, when distress and anguish come upon you." Okay, so I got some new highlighters, which is pretty exciting, and I believe this is how I'm going to be doing it from now on, where I, instead of highlighting all the words in one color blue that are different, all the words that are different in the same color blue, I'm going to put the words that are different in the same color, but as the one translation word against the other translation word. So as you see in the blue there, the KJV uses fear and the Legacy Standard uses dread. The KJV uses desolation, the Legacy Standard uses storm. KJV uses destruction, the Legacy Standard uses disaster. All right, so we're going to start with fear. So over here, I've got, all right, fear versus dread. So the definition of fear is negative feeling that's in response to a perceived threat or lack of courage. And the word dread means intense reluctance to face or meet a person or situation, and suggests aversion. Sorry, I'm distracted by something, as well as anxiety. So, as usual, similar words with similar meanings, but again, they do not mean the exact same thing. All right, next words. So the KJV uses desolation, and desolation's definition is complete emptiness or destruction, to destroy, lay waste, devastate, to be astonished. And then the LSB uses storm, which is violent weather with strong winds, rain, thunder, lightning, hail, can go on. And then the next group of words that that they use against each other, the KJV uses destruction, which the definition of destruction is the action of causing so much damage to something that it no longer exists or cannot be repaired, cause of ruin. And the Legacy Standard Bible uses the word disaster, which the definition of disaster is a sudden event such as an accident or natural catastrophe that causes great damage, loss of life, or that has unfortunate consequences. So again, I kind of like this. How do I call it? This order I have of how I'm going to do these from now on, where I do the word against the word and write it out like that, so that way it's a little easier to understand what I'm getting to. So my points I'm getting to. So again, it's another one where you can take it or leave it how you will. I know people have their own opinions as to what Bibles they like to use and all that, and I'm not really trying to. I'm really not trying to make you feel bad or anything for using these other Bibles. I'm just trying to show you the differences and give you a clearer understanding as to why our Lord instructs us not to change wording, or to change it, or to take away from it, or to add to it in any and all facts matter. So there's just another one. And again, as similar as a lot of these words are, they're still different. Anyway, I'll be back with another one. I hope everyone's having a blessed day.